Efforts to help those impacted by Hurricane Laura also continuing here in Panama City. The First Baptist Church filling an entire U-Haul this afternoon to take to Sulphur, Louisiana, the small town heavily impacted by the storm. The church here planning to make another trip in the near future. They're collecting items like paper goods, toiletries, generators, and batteries. The church partnered with the city of Panama City to pull off the large donation.
If perhaps someone in the Louisiana area, if you're watching this, I know right now you might be feeling like, hey, there's no hope. That's kind of like we felt, but I'm telling you, 2 years removed from the storm, things will get better, and we're going to stand with you, and we'll have you back through this whole deal.
If you'd like to be a part of the efforts, you can drop off donations at the First Baptist Church Monday through Thursday. The church is located on Grace Avenue here in Panama City.